How to fix Snapchat filters not loading. So if your Snapchat filters are not loading, then there could be a couple of things that you can do in this case. The first thing to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then what you can do is you can simply, if you're using the app on Android, long press the Snapchat app icon, then simply tap on this I button to come to the app info page, and from here you can go to storage usage where you can clear the cache files and clear the data. Now once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Snapchat and check if it has an update, and if it does, then simply make sure to update it to the latest version. Then after you've done that, simply launch the Snapchat app and try to use all of the filters that are loading up. You can also try to scroll all the way to the right hand side to be able to see a list of all the filters that you might want to use in this case. And this way we should be able to fix if the Snapchat filters aren't loading. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.